Good morning students. Welcome to first part of second chapter, that is Business Services 1. The name of the chapter is Business Services. Meaning of business we have already discussed in chapter 1. That is any legal economic activity with the motive of profit is known as business. Now, the question arises, what is service? In the market, goods and services are produced to satisfy human needs. Goods means जो चीज़ें हम देख सकते हैं, जिसको टच कर सकते हैं, which are tangible like pen, notebook, mobile, etc. While those things which can't be touched are invisible and are intangible. Those are called services like transportation, banking, insurance, communication, etc. These services are helpful in production of different types of goods. In this chapter, we will discuss 4 services. Number 1, insurance. Number 2, postal services. Number 3, godown or warehouse. Number 4, transportation services. We start with first service, that is insurance. Risk is involved in all the aspects of life and business. In human life, risk involved are losing earning member in the family or his disability or loss of job or loss of property due to natural or man-made calamities. Example, robbery, theft, flood, cyclone, fire, etc. In business, risks involved are variations in prices, natural risks, shortage of raw material, risk of late payment of goods, etc. Insurance covers the risk, but it does not prevent the risk. Insurance is an important element of business, without which no vehicle of transport in sea or land or in the air is allowed to move. Nothing is built and no wheel turns. What is insurance? Insurance is a written contract or agreement between two parties. The party that provides insurance is called insurer, that means insurance company, and the party that receives the insurance is called insuree, that is a person or an institution who takes insurance. To take insurance, the insuree needs to pay a specific amount known as premium to the insurer. The insurer then undertakes to provide a guarantee of compensation for financial loss that the insuree might face. Insurance contract in a written form is known as insurance policy. Insurance does not remove the risk involved, but it compensates for the financial loss caused by that risk. Our next topic is principles of insurance. The roots of insurance are connected with society and it is an agreement between two parties. Insurance is not an ordinary contract and so we cannot compare it with ordinary rules or laws. Insurance is a special type of contract and hence has got specific principles too. Principles of insurance are as follows. Number 1, principle of utmost good faith. Number 2, principle of indemnity. Number 3, principle of insurable interest. Number 4, principle of subrogation. Let us discuss in detail. Number 1, principle of utmost good faith. The basic law of insurance is a social concept. The parties involved in the insurance contract should have mutual and complete faith. While entering into a contract, both the parties should provide all the necessary information, even if it is not asked by either party, but if it is felt that the information may have an impact on the contract during claims. Any information that one hides and if it affects the claims made for financial loss can be termed as fraud and a breach of the principles of utmost good faith. In case the insurer provides wrong information or does not provide some important information during signing the contract, and if he faces a financial loss, the insurance company, that is, the insurer, will reject the claim and will not refund the paid premium. The insurer then loses all the rights of compensation for the risk. Second principle is principle of indemnity. Indemnity means protection against future loss. The main objective of an insurance contract is to compensate for a future loss. This principle is used to decide how much the insurance company will have to pay to the insurer in the event of loss incurred. Any person who takes an insurance policy can get only compensation for the loss and he cannot earn profit. In other words, he cannot get additional amount over and above the loss incurred. In case the insurer takes the insurance for a lesser amount, then he will get only that much amount for which he has taken the insurance. The remaining loss will have to be borne by him. Let us discuss few examples. If a person takes an insurance policy for a house for rupees 3 lakhs, but the original value of house is rupees 5 lakhs, then in the event of complete loss of house, the insurer will get maximum rupees 3 lakhs. Second example is when the value of product is rupees 5 lakhs and it is insured for the full amount of rupees 5 lakhs, and in the event of complete damage to the product, the insurance company will pay the full amount of rupees 5 lakhs to the insurer. Third and last example. When the value of a product is rupees 5 lakhs, but the insurer has insured it only for rupees 3 lakhs, and if the product is partially damaged, which is estimated at rupees 2 lakhs, the insurer will get only rupees 1,20,000 as compensation, as it is the proportionate amount of rupees 3 lakhs which is the insured amount. Now question arises, how this 1,20,000 as compensation is there? Formula for finding compensation is sum insured upon actual value into claim. Now sum insured is rupees 3 lakhs, while actual value of house is 5 lakhs and claim is there for 2 lakhs. So 3 lakhs divided by 5 lakhs into 2 lakhs, we get 1,20,000. Now this is the compensation which insurer will get from the insurance company. Very important note for principle of indemnity is, this principle is not applicable in life insurance. Now third principle is principle of insurable interest. The insured must have an insurable interest in the subject matter of insurance, that is, he or she must be benefited by its safety or be prejudiced by its loss. For example, you can insure your own house but not your friend's house. The owner of the house has financial interest in a house, while a tenant of the house does not have any financial interest. Now last principle, that is principle of subrogation. When a policy is taken for an insurable product and if it is fully damaged, and when the insurance company pays compensation, the fully damaged product's ownership will be with the insurance company. For example, in case of accident to a vehicle, after receiving the compensation from the insurance company, the insurer cannot sell the damaged part because thereafter the insurance company becomes the owner of that vehicle. Again, very important note for this principle also, that is, this principle is not applicable in life insurance. So here we complete our first part of second chapter. See you in next session tomorrow. Thank you.